guys! Welcome back to our vlog. Today is Saturday and papunta kami ngayon ng another car dealer. So ito naman medyo malayo siya sa amin, sa south side siya. Titingin kami doon kung may available nung car na gusto ni Daddy. Bali yung sa pinakaunang napuntahan namin nung nakaraang araw, di ba? Yung last Sunday. Yun yung una na nakita namin na nagustuhan ni Daddy. Tapos, di ba, meron pa rin kaming pinuntahan na isa pang car dealer. Yun naman yung Ram na isa pang car na tinignan namin. Yung car na blue doon sa unang car dealer, parang na-damage ata yung body niya upon shipping here sa Alaska, kaya hindi namin nakita nung day na yon. Nasa shop pala. Tapos tinawagan kami nung isang araw nung nakausap namin na yun nga daw yung status nung car, nasa shop pa rin, so hindi namin makikita. Tapos nag-usap nga kami na parang ni Daddy na parang hindi rin maganda kung yun ang kukunin namin kasi syempre na-damage na yun, di ba? Para brand yun namin bibili, worth it pa ba? Yung pa rin ba yung kukunin namin? Nag-iisa na lang yung blue na yun. Meron pang isang store dito ng Chevy. Yun nga, sa South. Ito yung pupuntahan namin ngayon. Tumawag kami kahapon. Ang sabi, may tatlo daw na ganoon na model ng truck. So, ngayon titignan namin kung same ba siya na upgraded na tulad nung nakaraan sa isang store. So, we'll see. Yung sa Ram, so parang second option na lang yon. Ang pinaka first option na namin talaga is yung una naming nakita na Chevy na truck. We'll take you guys today and we'll see kung anong mangyayari and ano yung mga meron sila doon. Kasi sabi tatlo daw yung blue eh. Pero nung tinignan ko sa online, sa website nila, parang hindi upgraded yung mga yung sa picture. Tsaka walang blue. Nakita ko lang doon red, black, gray. So, yeah, tingnan natin. Okay, sama kayo sa amin today. And it's already 1:30 p.m. So, ito guys yung Chevy na sa south side. Andito na kami. Wait siya. Okay, we are here guys. Yung pangalan ng nakausap namin kahapon sa phone ay Steve. So, siya ang yung hahanapin namin. Hi, we're looking for Steve.
Yeah, things like that.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Corvette din to, Daddy. Black.
This one.
Perfect. Close it.
The other one.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay. So ito guys yung mga option, meron silang tatlo. Hindi pala yung Steve ang sa amin, mag-aasikaso. Merong iba, babae. So kinuha niya yung sasakyan, ay yung susi.
Is that the one right there?
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay. Okay. Tignan namin siya guys. Naambun ata ng kaunti.
Look at this truck.
Okay, so ito siya. Dali, tingnan mo yung yung salamin. Okay, that's good.
It's big now. I know.
Okay, can you like give us a tour in the front? Like what's the features and everything? It's okay. Okay, we'll sit on the back. Okay, come on guys, here.
Changing the radio station there.
Come here.
Do this there, and then cruise control is right there.
Okay.
Forward drive, emergency brake, and light control is right there.
Mataas mo. Yeah. Okay. Everything's good. Okay.
Open the tailgate.
Okay. Oh.
You gotta manually lift it up.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Camera.
No worries.
Camera's right here.
Right.
So you can do
Okay.
your light or your trailer, but if you turn the steering while this turns for you,
Mhm.
Oh yeah, nice.
Mhm. Okay.
and then these works kind of like how your phone apps are. You can rearrange
All
it
right.
how you
Okay.
like. There are two screens, so you
See,
can.
they have built.
Yeah, I like that. Okay. Nice.
And then you also have Apple
Yes.
CarPlay and Android Auto, so it syncs
Uh-huh.
your
Yes,
phone to that. Trailer brake control is there, and climate control is here. So You guys can have like a his and a her temperature where everything's all the same, or you can unsync it and have two different temperatures.
Nice. Okay.
And where's the mile?
You see what the SW is? The
Oh, yeah,
The left side.
Under that says 90. That's the actual mile.
Okay.
468 tells you how much gas you have before you're out of gas.
Okay.
Okay. Would you guys like to drive the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Can I see your driver's license?
Okay, we're gonna do a drive test.
Am I ready to go?
We'll see. Just like feel it, you know, if you think this is the one. Okay guys, just update. Ipinaprocess na ngayon yung ano namin, yung magkano yung magiging monthly. So, sinubmit na yung ano sa mga bank.
I don't know which one, but I bring both of them.
Registration. Ito.
Is that the one?
Ito lang. Ito lang, daddy. Registration. So, tingnan namin yung step dito. Ito yung mga available.
The one?
This is the black one that you.
Yeah,
And then this is the other one. So that's the.
ito kasi parang pa-tube siya. Ito is paano. Okay. Is it on already or no?
Is it on already?
Yeah, it is. And you can change the temperature.
Okay.
See this?
Okay.
Show the temperature.
Yeah, the temperature. Kasi it's on the other side. You can
And then
see.
you can go here to the vehicle status
Mm-hmm.
and see your vehicle status, like
Yeah.
oil, tire pressures, if there's any issues and stuff, it'll let you know.
Okay.
And then it will say on here that it's off.
Then lock, unlock. Okay, that's nice.
Signing the documents electronically. Tap sign at the bottom of the page.
That's fine.
Yep. And confirm. Since we've already kind of reviewed them.
It's just the same way.
Yeah, it's exactly the same form. So. And one last paper document.
Yes. Copy.
And then you're all set.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for your patience.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, friends.
What's that?
Look, come here. You move stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. What's this? Wow. I need to take off this. Whoa.
Okay guys, so tapos na kaming magpirmahan ng mga paperworks, nakapag-down na rin kami, nakapagbayad na rin kami ng down payment. So, I think nililinis na ngayon yung sasakyan. Okay guys, so ano lang, just a quick story time. Bali, alam nyo ba na yung SA namin doon sa una naming sasakyan, yung RAV4, siya rin yung aming SA dito ngayon. So, nag-transfer na siya ng company. And nakakatuwa lang kasi, yun nga, sa una hindi namin siya nakilala, tapos sinabi yung pangalan niya, natandaan siya ni Daddy na, yun nga, siya nga yung nakuna namin dati nung aming unang sasakyan. So yun, nakakatuwa. Tapos tinulungan niya rin kaming makuha pa ng additional discount. Everything went well. So wala namang and smooth lang yung processing niya, and ito nga, maghihintay na lang kami doon sa car. So, hindi namin alam kasi, di ba, hindi ako nagda-drive. So, I don't know. So, parang ang plan, uwi muna si Daddy, tapos mag-Uber siya, pabalik dito. So, hintayin namin siya rito. Once, okay na yung sasakyan. Okay, so, sabihin ko lang din sa inyo, guys, kung ano yung mga talaga hinahanap namin doon sa sasakyan. Tapos, nakuha nga namin dito sa kung anong meron sila. Bali, yung pinakauna talaga, first thing na kailangan namin ay, or yung hanap namin sa truck ay yung 6-seater siya. Tapos, second is yung sa front niya, yung LCD, yung may built-in na siya na map. And then, of course, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi ready. Tapos, heated seat, yon isa rin yon. And also, yung bed niya, yung sa likod, ay at least like 5.5 to 6. Ang nakuha namin is 5.5, which is good. So, ayun, okay naman. So, nakita nyo kayo na, diba? Tinest-drive na natin. So, kaya nag-go na kami. Bali, dun sa dalawang nakausap namin last Sunday, we're just gonna send, a text message na inform sila na nakakuha na kami. And para hindi rin sila umasa kasi tatawag sila, magte-text na magte-text. So, nakakaawa rin naman pag pinaasa nyo na So, pag ganoon din nangyari sa inyo, let them know na nakakuha na kayo para hindi na sila umasa, syempre. So, yun nga, nakakatuwa lang talaga na same person yung nakuna namin ngayon na bago ulit naming car. So, ayun. So, kung pupunta kayo dito sa, kung taga-encourage kayo or here in Alaska, and I recommended Saisi. Pangalan niya Saisi. So, she's a very nice lady. And, yan. So, just, okay, nandito na siya. Okay, so, ayun guys, bali ang plan, uwi muna si daddy na lang muna. Tapos, gamit yung aming red na car. Tapos, si Saisi, ida-drive niya yung Silverado. And then, pagbalik nila rito, silang dalawa na. Si daddy na yung mag-drive ng truck. So, that's the plan. Dito lang muna kami maghintay kami kasi para, magte-take pa kami ng mga pictures. Ayun, so. Which one? B0. Mahal 1.7. Okay. Okay, nagpabili lang si Quincy ng snacks. Here's the key, guys. Andiyan na ata si Daddy. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Dito na sila, guys. Ambon. It's raining.
He's doing the welcome call. When he's done, we will go take pictures, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go talk to you.
Okay. Thank you.
It's raining.
Oh, honey.
It's raining.
Alex.
It's raining. I need to come.
Okay, we're done, guys. We took some pictures and we're going home now. Oh, we're gonna go to the bank first.
Sit down na. Sit sa plate na. Sarap kayo dito.
Ba nung
Sit
nag-try
back.
po kami pabalikin na tamaan ako nito.
What?
Oo.
Agad?
Agad. Oo. Bininyagan tayo.
Saan ang
May binyagan kami May agad doon.
It's okay. Malit lang.
Okay.
Okay, Kalex. At,
Saan?
magkatabi sila ng kay Kalay.
Okay, guys. Punta kami ng Sonic. Then, bago punta kami after Sonic, punta kami ng Bangko. Then, uuwi na. Ayan. Kitang-kita ako dito sa salamin, no?
No, ano to? May ano yan. Yung tinted niya.
Hindi, dito. Doon, sa kabilang salamin nakikita ko. Tapos, pag dito na si tatay, dito na ako uupo. Ito si tatay. Okay, we're here na, guys. Mine will be footlong quarter pound, number 9. One number 9 meal. Guys, what do you want? Guys, price lang yan. Price lang yan. Okay guys, 5:15 PM. Ito na kami sa bahay. So, mag-merienda muna kami. Ito yung mga pamili namin sa Sonic. Did you wash your hands, Tanak?
Yes.
Okay. There's that. Okay, that's it, guys.
Dito pala naka. Saan yung cellphone ko dyan? Yan din yung gusto ko eh. Dahil yung rapper na ito, nakable. Tali, dyan ako. Okay, never mind.
No sauce?
I don't
Didn't
think
give
so.
us a sauce. Yeah. It's okay. Why didn't give us a sauce?
Ah, no.
Ito sa akin.
Thank you.
No, mommy and mommy had gonna share.
Ah, ang talaya.
Coke din sa akin.
Ano ka naman palang pie?
In your halo, have you ever dreamt what we could do? Have you ever sent an I love you? And if you don't believe me, please see I don't need no effort. All you gotta do is flip that switch before we better.